We all use these AI assistants every day, right? But have you ever stopped and wondered why they can't be, well, perfect, perfectly customized just for you? Like, why isn't there an AI that knows your company's entire private code base, or one that's been trained on every single word your favorite author ever wrote? Well, today, we're going to look at the tool that's blowing the doors off the whole custom AI world. All right, so here's the plan. First, we're going to dig into the huge bottleneck that's been holding custom AI back for years. Then, we'll meet the turbocharger that's completely changing the game. After that, we'll see exactly how developers are using it, look at the incredible things they're building, and finally, we'll get into the really important stuff, the impact and safety of it all. So, to really get why a tool like Unsloth is such a massive deal, we first have to understand the core problem that's been a thorn in the side of AI developers forever. Just how ridiculously expensive it is to create a custom AI brain. I mean, it seems like a pretty simple question, doesn't it? We've got these incredibly powerful models out there, Llama 3, Mistral, you name it. So why can't we just, give each one a specialized education for what we need it to do? Well, the answer really comes down to the difference between a base model and what's called a fine-tuned one. And honestly, the best way to think about this is with a car engine analogy. A base AI model, fresh out of the lab, it's like a powerful but totally generic engine right off the factory assembly line. It's got a ton of horsepower, sure, but it's not optimized for anything in particular. Fine-tuning, that's the process of a master mechanic taking that engine and turning it into a high-performance racing machine meticulously customized with your data for one specific racetrack. And that right there is the bottleneck. That whole process, fine-tuning, has historically been a complete nightmare. It's painfully slow, it's wildly expensive, and it pretty much required you to have access to these giant industrial-grade server farms packed with ridiculously expensive GPUs. And that barrier, it's kept the true power of custom AI locked away from almost everyone. Developers, students, small businesses, you name it. But you know how it goes. Every big problem eventually inspires a really elegant solution. And this is where Unsloth AI steps onto the scene, not as just another AI model, but as something way more fundamental. Okay, so this is the most important thing to understand. Unsloth is not a chatbot you talk to. It's an open source library, basically a toolkit for the people who build the AIs. Its entire reason for existing is to take that slow, expensive fine-tuning process and make it ridiculously, almost unbelievably efficient. So let's jump back to our engine analogy. If fine-tuning is like building that custom race engine, think of Unsloth as the turbocharger kit. It's this brilliant component a developer can just bolt onto their workflow to get these incredible performance gains without having to rebuild the entire engine from scratch. So just how much of a boost are we really talking about here? Well, first up, speed. With Unsloth, the entire training process becomes 2 to 5 times faster than the old way of doing things. Something that might have taken, say, 10 hours before, now you could be done in just 2. Second, and this is absolutely huge, it slashes the required computer memory, the VRAM, by up to 80%. Now, what this means is that developers can now train these massive models on regular consumer-grade gaming GPUs, the kind you might already have in your desktop PC, instead of needing access to some crazy expensive enterprise server rack. And maybe the best part of all, it does all of this without any compromise. Unlike some other tricks that might make a model less intelligent, Unsloth uses exact mathematics to make sure there is absolutely zero loss in accuracy. You get all that speed, all that efficiency, without making the AI even a tiny bit less smart. Okay, so we get what the turbocharger does, but how does a developer actually, install it and start tuning their AI engine? Let's quickly walk through who this is really for and what that process actually looks like. First things first, let's be super clear about the audience here. This is a tool for the builders. We're talking developers, data scientists, AI hobbyists and students, and businesses who want to build their own custom AI tools. If you're just looking for a chatbot to ask about the weather, this isn't for you. But the next chatbot you use might just be built with it. The process itself is surprisingly straightforward. A developer starts by picking a base model, like Llama 3. Then they get their unique data ready, and this could be anything from medical journals to customer support tickets. Then, with just a few lines of code, they use the Unsloth library to handle the whole complex training part. And finally, boom, they export their brand new custom-tuned AI brain, all ready to go. Okay, this is where it gets really fun. This is where theory hits the road. Now that that massive barrier to entry has been smashed, what kind of specialized AI brains are people actually creating with all this new power? Well, the applications are all over the map. On the creative side, you could whip up a role-play bot that perfectly mimics a character from your favorite book series. In the professional world, someone could create a medical assistant trained on all the latest research papers. Or get this, a coding assistant that actually knows your company's private internal code base. You could even build a customer support bot that just gets your brand's unique voice and tone. So it's pretty clear this tool is incredibly powerful, and it's really democratizing AI development. But let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture here. Where did Unsloth come from? What's it cost? And what are the crucial safety things we need to think about? A huge part of why Unsloth is making such a splash is its price tag. The core library is open source and totally free. And this free version, which works on a single GPU, is more than powerful enough for something like 90% of users out there. Now, for the pros working on gigantic projects that need multiple GPUs, there's a pro version. But the fact that the free tier is so capable is what's really putting this power into the hands of the community. And just to be clear, this isn't some obscure project from a garage somewhere. Unsloth is a legit company founded in San Francisco by two brothers, Daniel and Michael Hahn. And it's backed by Y Combinator, which is basically one of the most prestigious startup accelerators in the world. So yeah, it's got a huge stamp of credibility in the tech industry. Okay, now let's talk about safety, because this is really a two-part conversation. First, there's your data privacy. On this front, Unsloth is super secure. Because it's just a library that runs on your computer or your cloud server, your private data never ever gets sent to Unsloth or anyone else. It stays with you. But the second part is the safety of what the model actually says, and that lands squarely on the user's shoulders. The tool gives you the power to remove the safety filters that are built into the base models, which means the creator is 100% responsible for whatever their custom AI says and does. So the power to fine-tune a world-class AI, something that was once the exclusive territory of giant tech companies, is now accessible to pretty much anyone with a decent gaming PC. This means we are on the verge of seeing an absolute explosion of specialized, creative, and deeply personal AIs. And that leaves us with one final thought. With this turbocharger now available to everyone, what kind of custom AI would you build?